Hello everyone, my name is Priya Mehta and welcome to the channel Speak and Span Learning. Reading and learning prepositions in a day is not an easy thing. Words, कुछ ऐसे words जो always उनके बाद कौन सा preposition आता है generally. So I have included all of those words in this video. It's a short video and it will be very helpful to you to learn the word and how they are following by the prepositions. Alright, so we are going to start the video. So see the sentences. Mumbai is famous for its textiles. या famous for. Famous के बाद अक्सर for लगता है. इसी तरह से और सारे जितने भी sentences हैं उसमें चाहे वो कोई भी part of speech हो उसके बाद कौन सा preposition लगेगा ये मैंने underline किया हुआ है. You can see. The goat subsist on the coarsest of food. Subsist on. Jawaharlal Nehru was fond of children. India is a novel, gorgeous land teeming with natural wealth. Being apprised of our approach, the whole neighborhood came out to meet the minister. In the classical age of ideal life of the Brahmin was divided into 4 stages or ashrams. It is natural in every man to wish for distinction. He was endowed with gifts. The writer is evidently enamored of the subject. These computers are cheap enough to be accessible to most people. Ambition does not always conduce to ultimate happiness. The true gentleman is courteous and affable to his neighbors. Newly acquired freedom is sometimes liable to abuse. Little Jack proved quite a match for the giant. Camels are particularly adapted to life in the desert. He is a man of deep learning, but totally ignorant of life and manners. The income derived from the ownership of land is commonly called rent. The Moors were famous for their learning. Alexander profited by the dissensions of the Punjab Rajas. Few things are possible to diligence and skill. I am indebted to you for your help. Asoka, although tolerant of completing creeds, the celebrated grammarian Patanjali was a contemporary of Pushyamitra Sangha. The African elephant is now confined to Central Africa. Ivory readily adapts itself to the Cavus art. Corby's poetry is remarkable for the perfection of its execution. The holy tree is associated with. The noise from downstairs prevented me from sleeping. I am already acquainted with the latest development of the situation. His duties were of all of a kind ill-suited to his ardent. Man is entirely different from other animals. A resident of 8 years in Sri Lanka and injured his system to the tropical climate. The ancient Greeks, though born in a warm climate, seem to have been much addicted to the bottle. He, Dr. Johnson, was somewhat susceptible to flattery. A man who always connives at the faults of his children is their worst enemy. Naples was then destitute of water now. The cat appears to have originated in Egypt or in the East. So here it is originated in, okay, and in the East. Both are the prepositions. Judged by, it's a result the policy of Hastings. there is still no cure for. Cure for. It was formerly supposed that malaria was due to people who are adverse to hard work. Buddhism teaches that freedom from desires. Alright, so these are a few words which are always used with such kind of prepositions. So this can be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching the video.